overcome stubborn fat cells and cellulite. Innovative ingredients energize the skin, improve blood circulation, tighten and firm the skin. The ingredients of this product are aloe vera extract, witch hazel, grape seed oil, all natural and organic for best results with no added chemicals or artificial additives. Improves blood circulation, which helps get rid of cellulite and swelling at every level. You can use this product on the feet, back, knees, legs, arms. Summer is coming, this cream can help shape your body to be beach perfect. Easy, fast and safe at-home solution for hard-to-remove cellulite and stubborn fat.